Did you think I was gonna cheat?
Yeah.
Weirdo.
Yeah.
Would you think I was gonna take your money?
Dude, son,
This must have been brother putting that in your toys. Good. Good job. Look at you playing the piano.
Is that some Alicia Keys or something?
Now all you gotta do is sing. Is that you singing while you play? Sing, Mama.
Whoa, that's good. Oh, that's good.
Good girl. So it has been raining all day, and Anthony got off of school. He's in his pajamas right now, so it's time to relax. And Aubrey, she woke up at what time, babe?
Probably about 6:30.
She woke up at 6:30, and then she ended up taking a nap at 9:30, and then she woke up at 12:30, so she had like a 3-hour nap. What are you doing? She had a 3-hour nap, which is good, but then bad. Good because I got some extra Z's. Bad because I'm going to miss some extra Z's tonight. Since it's raining, we are going to play some games. The first game I'm going to play with Anthony. Anthony, have you ever played this game, Heads Up 7 Up? Okay, so we're going to play Heads Up 7 Up. It's just the 4 of us. And obviously, Aubrey can't play for some part of it, but we're going to play that and then probably do some other stuff. But yeah, majority of the time we're just going to be relaxing. You said you never played, right? You never played in school?
No, never in school.
Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your head down, and then you're going to put your thumb up, but you can't peek, okay? Because when you feel someone touch your thumb, you're going to put your thumb down. And you got to guess who it is. But since there's only 3 of us it could be... Hi! Peekaboo! Say hi! I hit him. But since it only can be 3 of us, you only get 1 try. You only get 1 try. Since
2 tries.
No, 1.
Why?
Because I said, I'm going to guess who it is.
Okay, put your thumb down. You touched it, right?
Who is it?
I'm guessing it was you.
How do you know?
Because I know you swig and even though you have spit on you.
It wasn't spit. I think my hands are just sweaty.
Can I go next?
Yeah. Okay, Daddy's turn. Come on. Ah! Stop. Okay.
And it's fun.
You're just like this.
That hurt my nose. Okay.
Babe, you're peeking! By the way, we don't support spousal abuse. Domestic violence.
I see you.
That's peeking!
Dad! Restart!
Restart it. Okay, go. No, Mama, let go of him.
It was Aubrey. She touched me first with her mouth.
No, who was it?
Yes, it was.
No, who was it?
You guys are liars.
As you can see, Shanice, as you can see, Aubrey's crying because she wants to say hi, huh? Say hi. Okay, is it your turn? Put your head down. It's my turn. Scooter butt cheek. Okay.
Big Worm. I mean, Big Worm.
You call me Big Worm?
No, I'm saying.
Okay, ready? Lego.
Okay.
She's cheating.
That hurt. I'm not looking like I'll hook it like this. Like. That was 2.
Okay, you gotta guess the first one. There's actually 3. Okay.
Aubrey.
Nope.
No.
Loser.
It was you.
Who?
You.
Yeah, it was me.
That was, I met Aubrey's father.
No, you didn't.
I met Aubrey. We got done playing Monopoly, and it is 10 o'clock. We've been playing pretty much the whole night, and these two guys teamed up on me to make me lose, to get me out the game, but it took them like 3 hours to do it. So oh, but I did want to show you guys something so cute. So Anthony did a, what did you do, baby?
Some of all that haven't finished yet. But I'm gonna show you how it looks like now.
Yeah. So Anthony did this cute picture, Baba. He did this picture that he did in school. He drew a picture in school. So this is the picture, and I think his little whale is so cute. Look at the face. Look at the little nose right here, and the eyes are so cute. And then he did another little one. And he did a little fishy.
And I didn't finish it yet.
But all and
the edge of the water's up here.
yes. But seriously, I think that's really good. That little face right there. So he did that.
All right, we're gonna be heading off to bed now. I had a lot of fun playing the games with the family. But yeah, kids are asleep. I need to try to get some sleep, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.